Hi everyone, we all know how fast the AI is evolving and its impact over time. So in this video, let's see how the Claude is replicating the software engineers, and also let's see which all jobs are safer post that. Now let's see how the Claude can replicate the software teams. I'm into the official docs of the Claude. If you can see this picture, let me just zoom in. So in Claude, we have two main orchestration patterns. One is sub-agents and another is agent teams. Let me go one by one. In the sub-agents, we have the main agent, which will act as your team leader in the software team. Okay? So what's the job of software lead? His job is to get the business requirement and distribute those tasks among the team members, right? Just like that, your main agent will get the bigger tasks and divide those tasks into smaller tasks and then assign to the sub-agents. So here each sub-agent is an individual model by themselves. So they will do their task and then again report back to the main agent. Just like in the software team, how the employee does this job and informs the team lead, right? So just like that. So that's how it can replicate the software team. Now you would ask me, what about testing and all? So there would be another sub-agent which would be specialized in testing only. That particular sub-agent will do all proper testing and inform the bugs to the main agent. The main agent will again assign those bugs to that responsible sub-agent, and that sub-agent again fix those issues and again inform the main agent, and then again it will inform the tester to test that and will close those bugs. So that's how this cycle will go on, and that's how it can replicate the software team. Okay, so that's all about sub-agents. Now let's get into agent teams. Even in the agent teams, we have the main agent over here, but here the task is a bit different for the main agent. Here the main agent will divide those subtasks and put them into the shared task list, and it will create the agents for you. If not, you can create your own agents, which is the preferred one, so that you will create three agents. Okay, one is responsible for front end, other is for back end, and other is for DB. Okay, and this main agent will distribute or divide those bigger tasks into smaller tasks and put it into the shared task list. Okay, now these small agents will take their task from the shared task list by themselves and try to solve that or try to build that. And here the agents can communicate with each other. Okay, so once the entire task list have been executed by this agents over here, it will inform to the main agent. Okay, and now there would be another agent that could be actually testing all of that and informing those bugs to the main agent again. So the same, I mean, there is no much difference than between sub-agents and agent teams. Here, it's just that agents can talk to each other, and here the sub-agents doesn't talk to each other. So that's how it can replicate the software team. Okay. Then the main thing comes, what's the future of software development? So the one who can orchestrate these tools, or one who can make these tools running in their organization, they will have the great future. And also the one who is facing the clients and able to take the responsibilities also will have a greater future. So at least these things will have great future. But then if you're just a front end or back end developer, then it's a bit difficult. All right. So yeah, these are my opinions on the future of AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Yeah. Thank you.